Another standard feature of the Magic Cam is that it comes with a wireless, waterproof remote control. This is good to 10-foot depth, and it features a separate video button, video off, or camera button. This is going to give you a lot of range in what you can shoot and where you can shoot it. What do you think of that? This is awesome, huh?
Yeah, that's awesome. That's one of the coolest features I personally think comes with this camera, the Magic Cam. That means you can be standing, you know, wherever you are on the board, clicking it yourself, or having a buddy on the beach clicking it, taking the best shots of you. Incredible feature, standard Magic Cam, blowing doors on everybody else.
You know, what I do, I use this and I hook it onto my camera. I hook it onto my waistband. And then I shoot while I'm surfing or supping. It's awesome.